Well, there's the top of the station there. Looks like that's an E above the 1891. And then it could be Baltimore and Ohio, since that was this line at one time. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Trevor, and it's train time. Well, earlier I was in Martinsburg, West Virginia, and on the way back I saw a sign for the MARC station, so I've never been here. And this is the Dickerson MARC station here in Maryland. And right above the station there it says 1891, and then there's a B, and then it's washed out, and then an O at the very end. Well, my prediction was wrong on that. It wasn't a CSX train coming through here. It was a MARC train coming through, and he was moving pretty good. He was heading down to Point of Rock, so I think that's going to do it. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rail.